Hey, it's Ben here, and in this video, I'm going to be demonstrating a new tool called Engage Player, which is very important, and it's really more than just a video player, as it can actually manipulate an entire web page and text around any video that's playing to sync with the video. And in tests, this has been shown to drastically increase conversions. No other tool has been ever able to do this. And so you can have things like buy now buttons, opt-in forms, etc., embedded over the video player, which pop up at certain times and can engage the audience. But also you can have things like text or benefits, opt-in forms, other videos on your website around the video player, which sync with the video player and can also pop up at certain times and engage with the viewer, which is truly amazing. You'll have to see this when I demonstrate it. And before I go into all these amazing features that this new tool, Engage Player, can do, I want you to understand the real key going forward here in internet marketing as far as building your list and getting more sales. And the key is that it's all about engagement and retention now, or the ability to get your viewers and visitors to focus on your content as opposed to the thousands of other things that you have to compete with online and social media today. And you need to do this to capture their email address, get them to sign up for your services, and even buy something from you. So anyone can, put up a Facebook ad. It's very easy today, or post something on social media and start getting some views. But how do you go above and beyond that and actually get those visitors to ultimately become your customer and not just bounce away from your conversions and bounce away and ruin the conversions and ruin your campaigns? Well, it's all about retention and getting viewers to engage with your content deeply. That's the key going forward, and what's all the big marketers like Gary Vaynerchuk and people like that are focusing their campaigns around. And that's exactly what Engage Player is designed to help you do going forward. So as you can probably tell by just from me talking so far, this isn't some shiny object that's going to promise you hundreds of dollars with a few clicks, which we all know doesn't really exist today. But this is actually a powerful tool for serious marketers who really want to take this stuff seriously and get results. So let me dive into this here and let me show you how this all works and how this is really going to benefit you in your business. So basically, all you have to do is log into the Engage Player. This is a cloud-based software. You can see the dashboard over here. And to get started, you just have to hit this Create Engagement Player button. Then just give it a title. And then you can select a video. Now this could be your own video that you put, or you can actually search for other videos to use in your campaign. So we can search for some videos to find here for this example. So we'll just use this for an example here. And also you can see this intro URL and outro URL. Now basically what you can do is put another video in the intro URL and another video in the outro URL, and Engage Player will combine all these into one video. So this is another important aspect that's going to really improve that retention and conversions. So if you have an intro URL that you want to put, or something that will grab your audience's attention, you can actually put that in there as well. Then you just go to Save Video Details. And then we're in the section now which you can build this engagement player and the content around it that's going to engage with the video. Now over here you can do what you do is just drag and drop these different grid systems over. So for example, 50% will be one grid, 50% will be another column. So for instance, what we can do is have our video over here. And then we can have some like an opt-in form or text or something that's going on around here that interacts with the video, as you'll see. And you can see there's all different types of grids you can use from, and you can build a huge page by doing this. So first, let's focus on just the video here. Now, if you click this button, what you can do is add all types of different things like form overlays, calls to action. You can customize the player with however you want, like make it play from the beginning, for example, play automatically. So let's just add a form overlay real quick, and you know what these are. Just hit enable, and if we want to show it a custom time, say we want it to start at 3 seconds in, and that can go away at 8 seconds. And after submit, you can either have it keep playing the video, you can have it sent to an external page after they submit their name. So we're just going to have it keep playing the video. And down here, you can have it stop playing the video when it pops up, or continue playing the video. So this is very customizable to for exactly what you need. Now you can choose to integrate it with any autoresponder. This does regular autoresponders and just copy and paste HTML. And of course, there's buttons that you can customize to have it. If you don't just want it gray with regular text, you can add color. You can add images. It's 100% customizable. So we'll just apply that, and then save the page. And then we'll just do a quick preview here to see what it looks like so far. And then there you see it's our opt-in form appearing right as we wanted it to. And then it goes away where we suggested as well. And of course, you can add calls to action as well, like buy now buttons. You can add text, certain images that can go across the video, and buttons that they can click, for example, like at the end of the video as a call to action to get them to sign up for your program. Now, what else Engage Player can do is it can do the exact same thing I was showing you, only to things like text, images, buttons, other video players. And let me just show you how this works. So over in this column, let's drag some text over here. And this would be, for example, like a quick description that's going to talk about the video. So we'll give it a heading. Here's the text for what it's about, and apply it. And then we can drag some more text over. So this, for example, could be a benefit. And what you can do with this is over here or down here, you see times and effects. We can have this benefit actually appear at a certain time that we want to in the video. So say, for example, 3 seconds in, and we want it to go away at 8 seconds. And also you can use these timers as whenever you hit the video and play it, it will actually sync that time over here. So you can either type it manually like I did, or sync it with the actual video as it's playing. Then let's say that we want to do another benefit. And only in this case, instead of coming up at 3 seconds, we want this benefit to come up at 5 seconds. And we want it to disappear at 8 seconds. Now you can also add, these are just text I've shown, but also you can add things like opt-in forms as well. And this too can appear and disappear at certain times like we've been doing. So for example, we'll have this appear whenever these benefits disappear. So we'll have this show up at, say, 7 seconds, and we want it to stay there for a while so people can opt into our our lead magnet or whatever we're giving away, our course or training, for example. And then you have these different effects. So it can bounce in, it can, this is kind of like flies in, all different kind of things that are going to shake and grab the user's attention while the video is playing, to double and triple that engagement and retention I was talking about. So let's just preview and see what we have so far. So right now you see that we don't have any benefits up, but then right now our first benefit comes in, and our next one comes in, and then that disappears to that opt-in form that we wanted to come up right there too. So as you can see, this is almost like a regular opt-in form. You see people only, it's kind of like a smart opt-in form as it interacts with the viewer and syncs with the video too as well. So it's almost like a smart lead capture page that's going to really 3x conversions just by some tests that have been being done so far by beta test users of it. So as you can see, there's a lot more you can do. You can add Vimeo videos, you can add Google Maps, forms. You can really build this out to however you want. We don't have time to go into every single thing you can do because there's so much you can do with Engage Player. But also, I did want to mention some other things as well that are important as far as the OTO offers. Now, for the OTO offers, you're going to get additional benefits from the ones I showed you. So you'll be able to, for example, in one of the OTO offers, let me go to the dashboard here. You can actually publish some of these to push to Facebook. So this is an offer. This is a feature that you won't find on the regular player. You can actually publish this to Facebook, and it will create a tab on, say, your fan page that can interact with users on social media and drive leads on social media as well. It's very important. And also the ability to find videos, that's in the OTO as well. And even more powerful, I think, in my opinion, is this white label option that they have is for the second OTO. Now, this is different from, you've probably seen like a lot of products that they give away a white label option for a limited time. Now, unlike a lot of products, there's actually a way that you can add different users. So for different clients that you might get, like local businesses, if you're going to use this to make money from local businesses and add videos and engagement videos to businesses that they aren't happy with their conversions, or they saw this in a demo that you did and they want to integrate this, you can actually add different users, and there's white label options, so you can actually get rid of this Engage Player logo and upload your own logo. So it's not like a white label bonus where there's no way to customize the software truly. In this case, you can actually fully customize it to have your logo, call it whatever you want, and even change the colors around. If you don't even like this orange or the setup, you can actually even choose the color and then save it. So that's a very powerful feature, and make sure to check out the OTO bonuses I'm giving away too, because there's some actual bonuses that you can use to sell this service, the white label service, to other businesses that are going to help you increase the chances that they'll say yes, along with my specific bonuses for it. Now, I really want to make sure that you check out the bonuses for all this. There's video editing software that you'll get from me, plus special intro and outro templates to use with that ability to put in those intro and outro videos I was talking about in the beginning, plus templates and done for you intro and outro videos to integrate into Gage Player, and tons more. You really have to check it out, including like developers' rights to Yoast Premium Video SEO plugin, not the free version. This is the really expensive Pro version. You can use this with local clients or especially on your own videos to get traffic. There's some recent white label plugins you can access to, white label software, and tons more. And really the best bonus package specifically for Engage Player you're going to find to really help you get results with this software. Now, the software is going to go live at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for an early bird discount. And because this is such a robust solution and a much needed tool in today's marketplace, the price is going to rise really drastically fast. So make sure to get in and take advantage of that one-time lifetime payment option. I wouldn't go for the monthly fee option because there's a very low affordable one-time lifetime price option to get access to Engage Player. And then make sure you take advantage of the OTO options as well, as they'll be on a discount too whenever it goes live.